It's time now for our tech segment, and joining us now is our technology reporter, Paul Ndiho. Paul.
Hello, Esther. A self-taught student engineer is teaching other students in Zambia the power of coding, machine learning, and robotics. His goal is to build an army of young tech-savvy people who can contribute to the economy. For more insight, I spoke to Edward Phiri, a tech entrepreneur and co-founder of EO Robotics, based in Lusaka, Zambia. Edward Phiri, welcome to Africa 54.
It's my pleasure to be on the show.
You are an incredibly talented young person in Zambia. You've been training people how to code, giving them computer skills, and now you're doing robotics. How did you get started?
We started our initiative in 2019 with my friend, Chena, which is we thought of coming up with this program that aims to help students out there to learn robotics, programming, and electronics. Also to get into building robotics that can help out people out there, and also to understand basic knowledge of how to start up with everything in programming and robotics. What is really inspires us is the challenges that we are facing here in Zambia. We are not mostly focusing into, I would say, technology or robotics. So we thought of coming up with this initiative, which is really helping a lot, and so that it can help out for those who are lacking in need, or those who can't have equipment or to buy or something like that. So we thought of helping out to those that can that needs a hand.
How did you learn how to do robots yourself?
When I was in 7th grade, I started developing interests, stuff like that. It just started like that, and there's a program which is called IIAZ, which is based in Douala actually, which is the one that helped us to skilled ourselves into robotics and into each and every single thing that we do now.
I've been talking to some people, young people like yourself in Zambia, and they've told me some interesting things about you, that for some reason you are trying to build an army of young people interested in STEM classes at university.
Indeed.
How did you get into that? What inspired you to start something like that, where you're trying to empower other young people?
Our goals are focused on increasing students in achievement in coding, and also to reach in areas where they have no idea in programming. And so we thought of helping into that, also according to also to look into girl coding, to according to research, the number of females working in STEM fields has fallen since from 90s. So we are there to help and also to increase people so that they can have an idea on what programming is and what coding is.
I recently did an interview with a young lady in Zambia, coincidentally who happens to share your same last name, and she told me that you are an incredible tutor. You've helped her to overcome a lot of challenges, and you're doing that for so many other young girls in Zambia. How many people have you been able to train?
So far, we have taught over 6,000 young people in Zambia, and we have reached about I would say 3 universities here in Zambia, of which we are helping. For those who are some universities here, they are lacking in need of hardware, of which is expensive to get for them or to do something about that. So we have reached out to that and to help them learn and get the basics and how to go through it with everything.
You're teaching robotics at university level, college level. Are you getting paid to do that?
We're doing it for free, but with our sponsorship, which is helping us in each and every funding and to get every support and everything in that area.
You're teaching robotics and the university is not paying you. You're relying on donations and other sponsors to do that.
Indeed, yes. That's what we are mostly doing.
How important is it for you and other young people who come to you to learn these skills, these computer skills, coding skills, machine learning, robotics?
The important part is that we want to reach out to each and every Zambian so that they can have an idea of what electronics and programming is. As technology is evolving, we need to go with it as well. So which is no one has to be left behind. So we need to each and every day catch up. Okay, so we have people who are building websites. They need to learn on how to do that, because we believe that robotics are taking over the world, something like that. But we need to help even those so that they can catch up to such parts, so that they can catch up in each and every part that is needed. Like, for example, building software, building robot operating systems, building applications in that area, so that they can have an idea in such a way. Yeah.
I think you've done a phenomenal job this far. I want to thank you very much for coming onto the show.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
That's it for today. Back to you, Esther.
Thank you so much, Paul. Be sure to join Paul Ndiho every Wednesday for his Africa 54 Tech Report.